double slash is used for single line.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Priyadarshini.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, Mama. Let's see how many of you are joining or able to join. Lota, weather केमती अच्छे?
सर बहुत ही खराब, बहुत जोर से वर्षा, सर वर्षा होची, पवन भी बहुत जोर से, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम में भी पारे. यस सर, जोर से होची वर्षा.
अच्छा, ओके ओके. दुर्योधन,
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍
କେମତି ଅଛି
ବର୍ଷା
ପାଗ?
ହଉଛି ସାର୍
ବହୁତ ଜୋରେ.
ସାର୍ ପାଗ ସାର୍ ବହୁତ ଖରାପ ଅଛି ସାର୍ କେଉଁଝର.
ଓକେ. ସ୍ମୃତି,
Yes, sir.
ପାଗ କେମତି ଅଛି?
ସେ ଖରା ହଉଛି.
ଖରା ହଉଛି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
ଆରେ ବାଃ. ଯାହା ହଉ. Somewhere something good to listen. ଗୋଟାଏ ଜାଗାରେ ଖରା ହଉଛି. ହଉ, good. ତାହେଲେ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ କେତେଟା ପିଲା ଜଏନ୍ କରିଛ? ସୁମନିଆ,
Yes, sir.
ପାଗ କେମତି ଅଛି କିରେ?
ସାର୍ ସକାଳେ ବହୁତ ଜୋରସେ ବର୍ଷା ହଉଥିଲା.
ଏବେ ଛାଡି ଯାଇଛି?
ହେଲା ଛାଡିଛି.
ପଠେଇଛୁ?
यस सर.
ଖାତା ଅଛି ତୋ ପାଖରେ? ଖାତା ରଖିଛୁ ତୋ ପାଖରେ?
यस सर. यस सर.
यूनिट 1 कार्ड है. यूनिट 1 कार्ड है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन पढ़ो, आंसर.
Unit 1. Sir, when did the poet see the daffodils?
डॉक्टर्स वर्ड रवे. हम डॉक्टर्स
Sorry,
वर्ड
sorry,
रखिले.
sorry, sorry, sorry. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
झंडा
Sir,
छुआ.
why did sir, why did the patients visit Dr. Raman only when they were hopeless?
कौन हवा आंसर? कौन लिखिछु आंसर?
So, जो लिखी,
जहाँ लिखिछु.
the patients visited Dr. Raman only when they were hopeless because they were unable to pay the high visiting fees, which was 25 rupees. And another reason was people believe that the patient will die at the very presence of Dr. Raman.
अच्छा. हाँ, ठीक है जी. सुमनिया,
Yes, sir.
कौन लिखिछु पढ़ लू?
So the patient visited Dr. Raman only when they were hopeless because the visiting fees of Dr. Raman was 25 rupees, which is
अच्छा.
quite quite expensive at that time. And secondly, they feel that there was something dangerous to be presence of Dr. Raman.
Something dangerous. तापरे?
Dangerous with the presence of Dr. Raman.
अच्छा, ठीक है जी. प्रियदर्शनी,
Yes, sir. So,
कौन लिखिछु पढ़ लू?
the patients visit Dr. Raman only when things looked hopelessly because they were unable to pay the high fees, which was 25 rupees. And another reason was people believe that the patients will die at the very presence of Dr. Raman.
Patients will die.
Patient will die at the very presence of Dr. Raman.
Last sentence टा correct करियो. Last sentence टा mark कर.
Yes.
अच्छा. Asiba, Smriti पाखु Smriti.
Yes, sir.
Unit 1 नो second question टा पढ़ो answer कहो.
What impression of Dr. Raman do you get from the passage?
Do you give ना do you get?
Do you get?
Hey. Do you get from the passage? कौन impression पाइचु कौन लिखिचु answer?
We came to know from the passage that Dr. Raman was the epitome of truth. He was a very straightforward person. He did not believe that giving false hope to a patient could ever save his life. That's why he always told the true condition of the patient. But if he saw even a slightest ray of hope, he used to get ready for the treatment and he never quit till he would not save the patient's life from Emma's hand.
अच्छा. एटा तू निजे लिखिचु?
Yes, sir.
तू निजे लिखिचु ना कोठु पढ़ी की लिखिचु तापरे?
नहीं सर नीचे.
Sure, पूरा निजे लिखिचु? कोठु पढ़ी की लिखिनु?
Yes, sir. No.
अच्छा. ठीक ଅଛି. ଆସିବା ଆଉ କିଏ ଲେଖିଛି? ସଞ୍ଜନା ଲେଖିଛୁ? ଲେଖିଛୁ?
ହଁ ସାର୍ ଲେଖିବୁ।
ନା ସାର୍ ଆଉ କେବେ ଲେଖିବୁ?
ମୁଁ
ତୁ କେବେ ଲେଖିବୁ ମତେ ଟିକେ କହିଲୁ?
ଆଟେଣ୍ଡ କରିନଥିଲି ସାର୍। ପୂର୍ବ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ବି ଆଟେଣ୍ଡ କରିନଥିଲି।
ପୂର୍ବ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ବି
ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍
ଆଟେଣ୍ଡ କରିନଥିଲି।
କ୍ଲାସ୍ ବି ଆଟେଣ୍ଡ କରିନଥିଲି ତା ପୂର୍ବ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ବି ଆଟେଣ୍ଡ କରିନଥିଲି।
ଆଚ୍ଛା ହଉ। ହରିହର ଲେଖିଛୁ?
ନା ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି କ୍ଲାସ୍ ଆଟେଣ୍ଡ କରିନି।
ଆଚ୍ଛା ବିଷ୍ଣୁ?
ଗତ ଲାଷ୍ଟ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ନାଇଁ ସାର୍।
ତୁ ଜମା ଲେଖନା ଆମର। ତୋ ପାଖରେ ତ କିଛି ନଥିବ ନା। ତୋ ପାଖରେ ବହି ନାହିଁ, ଖାତା ନାହିଁ, କଲମ ନାହିଁ, କିଛି ନାହିଁ ନୁହଁ। ତୁ ଲେଖନା ଆମର। ହଉ ଦୁର୍ଯ୍ୟୋଧନ ଲେଖିଛୁ? ଲେଖିଛୁ? ଏ ଦୁର୍ଯ୍ୟୋଧନ ଲେଖିଛୁ? ନାଇଁ ସାର୍। ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି ତାର ନେଟୱାର୍କ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ବହୁତ ଜୋରେ ହଉଛି ଦୁର୍ଯ୍ୟୋଧନର। ଏନିୱେଜ ଆସିଯିବା ତାହେଲେ ପୁଣି ଲୋରା ପାଖକୁ। ଲୋରା ୟୁନିଟ 1 ରେ ଆଉ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଅଛି?
Yes, sir.
ୟୁନିଟ 1 ରେ ଆଉ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଅଛି?
Yes, sir. ଦିଟା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ question ଅଛି।
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଅଛି ପଢିଲୁ କଣ?
Sir, what impression of Dr. Raman do you get from the passage?
ଏଇଟା ପରା ପଢିଲା ବୋଧେ?
ନା sir ମୁଁ ପଢଲି why did the patients visit Dr. Raman only when they were
ତୁ
hopeless?
ନୁହଁ ସ୍ମୃତି ବୋଧେ ଏଇଟା ପଢିଲା। ସ୍ମୃତି କୋଉ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଆନ୍ସର ଦେଲୁ ତୁ?
Sir, second number, what impression Dr. Raman do you get from the passage?
Okay, ନାଇଁ sir ତାହେଲେ ସେ ଦିଟା question ଅଛି। ସେ ଦିଟା question ଅଛି।
ବାସ୍ ଆଚ୍ଛା ତାହେଲେ ଲୋରା ୟୁନିଟ 2 କୁଆ।
Sir, how does the writer describe the friendship between Dr. Raman and Gopal?
କହ ଆନ୍ସର କଣ ଲେଖିଛୁ?
Sir, the writer described their friendship as a classic friendship. Both Dr. Raman and Gopal were friends since their childhood. They usually not able to spend time with each other much because of their family problems and their profession. But somehow they managed to meet each other on Sundays and usually share each other's whereabouts.
Good. Suman?
Yes, sir.
ए सुमन्या पढ़लु एटा कौन लिखिछु?
The writer says that the friendship between Dr. Raman and Gopal has been of 40 years since their childhood days. Their meeting has become infrequent due to each being busy in their own family and profession. At times on a Sunday, Gopal waits patiently in consulting room for the Dr. Raman to be free. Then they spend the day in dining, going to the cinema, and sharing each other's life and activities. Their friendship has still remained untouched by changing times and circumstances.
Good. For the Dr. Raman लिखिछु सेटा को काटिके सेठी for the doctor लेखे नहेले for Dr. Raman लेखे for the लगला परे आ ना लिखिबा दरकार नै
Yes, sir.
तो for the doctor लिखिबु नहेले पूरा काटि देबु for Dr. Raman लेखे ठीक अछि दीटा भितर जहा लिखुछु लेखे
Yes, sir.
अच्छा जते बेले पढुछु आ टिके पढा प्रैक्टिस करो जदि आंसर ता लिखिकी निजे पढिबा प्रैक्टिस करो हला जो टर्म्स गुडा को तू प्रोनाउंस करूछु लास्ट रे से टर्म ता थिला circumstances नो तो हड़बड़ है कि पढ़ना ठीक अछि just
Yes,
a
sir.
minute let me reply in your group there are some people who are facing problems to join हो ताहले नेक्स्ट आसीबा गजल पाको गजल
सर गजल नेटवर्क इश्यूज होची मते कहला कि सर हम कहि दबो से जॉइन कर पनी
जॉइन कर पने ओके देन किछ असुविधा नै ताहले आसीबा प्रियदर्शनी पाको प्रियदर्शनी
Yes, sir.
कोन लिखिछु ए क्वेश्चन आंसर देके पढ़ देलु मामा
The writer describes the friendship between Dr. Raman and Gopal. A friendship are a classic friendship. They knew each other from their childhood. As they were wrapped with their family, however, they meet on Sunday and saw pictures, ate together, and talk each other life and activities.
फर्स्ट लाइन सेकंड लाइन और फोर्थ लाइन मार्क करो सेंटेंस चेंज करिबा फर्स्ट सेकंड फोर्थ सेंटेंस हला
Yes, sir.
लोरा ओवर टू यू लोरा अल्फा टू चार्ली
सर सेकंड क्वेश्चन
को अल्फा टू चार्ली कोन हो
सर
अल्फा टू चार्ली मु अल्फा टू चार्ली
ओ कौन कहउछन सर हाउ डिड डॉक्टर रमन कम टू नो अबाउट गोपाल्स इलनेस
कौन हला आंसर
when Dr. Raman asked Gopal's son the reason for his sitting in the consulting room, then he get to know about his childhood friend's illness.
get to know about his childhood friends illness like childhood's friends no
नहीं
दीटा करे
चाइल्डहुड
apostrophe लगे
फ्रेंड्स इलनेस लेखिछि माने
हाँ
फ्रेंड्स
हाँ
रे
ताले
apostrophe
ठीक
s ହିଁ ବସିଛି yes sir
गुड चाइल्डहुड पाखरे बसे न तो
no sir friends ପାଖରେ ବସିଛି ଖାଲି
वेरी गुड चलो तापरे
yes sir
तापरे फोपाडनु बस एति की Laura, that's it. Answer over.
yes sir
Oh, तेरी question आउथरे पढ़लु
how did Dr. Raman come to know about Gopal's illness
हाँ तो आंसर आउथरे पढ़लु
when Dr. Raman asked Gopal's son the reason for his sitting in the consulting room then he get to know about his childhood friend's illness
पूरी तेरी दीटा सेंटेंस रे छाड़ दिलु मालो
yes sir
बे चार्ली तू एमती कले हम बंकर ध्वंस होई जु जानचु बे गेंडा छुआ एते छोटो लिखिबुनी बे ए तोरा आसीबो एटा 5 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन
अच्छा सर सर ठीक अछि मु लिखि देबे नले लॉन्ग की 5 मार्क्स हिसाब रे
नहीं लॉन्ग की 5 में कमिति कोन लंबे उतो खाता धरी बेली उतो केमिति लंबे मत कहली
sir after when he
को पोर्शन एंट्री करी मते कह कहले एत कथा नहीं को पोर्शन एंट्री करी ना सर पे बिल्कुल एंट्री होबो
Gopal said that hospital
हां
network not sent to the hospital
नेटवर्क के पट हां
network problem huh. His mother has sent him to the hospital to inform or to get to consult any doctor about his father's illness
अच्छा हो ठीक अछि ताले लेखे के मते कहबो तो माने से माने अछटी
yes sir
अच्छा तार भी टिके नेटवर्क कटि आछी हो ठीक अछि कहलु कोन लिखिजु
sir
आज
in
क्लास आउ हां मुटके समस्त कहि दोछि टिके खाली सुनो आज क्लास मु एक्सटेंड करबिनी 40 मिनिट्स पर तमर जोटा आउथरे जॉइन करो आज क्लास सेते की क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कशन नहीं रखियो केना बहुत पिला नाहंती मु आगो को पढ़ाई दोछि पुनी समस्त हैरान होछ ठीक अछि सो आज क्लास 40 मिनिट्स रे ही रहइबो
okay sir
तो माने फबड़
In his busy round of work, Dr. Raman has noticed that Gopal
सुन
had not.
गधी मो कथा सुन ओ गधी मो कथा सुन
Again.
जते बेले आंसर स्टार्ट करिवो गेंडा सेते बेले कोनोसी भी आंसर गोटे प्रेपोजिशन गोटे प्रोनाउन नु स्टार्ट करिवु नाही इन हिज बिजी राउंड ऑफ क्लॉक तू आंसर लिखुछु नोवेल नु हो ठीक अछि नोवेल ले गोटे राइटर किंबा गोटे प्ले रे गोटे राइटर जे कोनोसी वे रे स्टार्ट करिवो ही हैज द फ्री he has that freeness to start up with anything किंतु एठी तो आंसर रे राइटिंग रो स्टाइल टा लिमिटेड हे कि रहबो सब बडे केमे लिमिटेड हेबो तो एतला आंसर स्टार्ट करिवो ईदर गोटे नाउन और गोटे रिप्रेजेंटेटिव पर्सनल प्रोनाउन जोटा कि कैरेक्टर को प्रेजेंट करूथिबो सेई थ्रू ही स्टार्ट करि परिबो तो इन हिज बिजी राउंड ऑफ वर्क तू लिखिबो सेटिन नाही कौन
Yes,
लिखि
sir.
परिबो आगो स्टार्ट करिबो डॉक्टर रमन कॉमा इन हिज बिजी राउंड ऑफ वर्क
Yes, sir.
okay or both the friends in their busy round of works एमती भी कर परिबो
Yes, sir.
ठीक अछि ओके तापर को
Dr. Raman, in his busy round of work, had not noticed that Gopal had not called in for over 3
शाबाश
months.
एबे देखे निजे आंसर देखे कोटा ठीक लागुची तो आंसर ठीक लागुची ना नाउन प्रोनाउन टा आगे बसेला सॉरी नाउन टा आगे बसेला पर ठीक लागुची
Yes, sir. एटा बोल लाउची ठीक लाउची
हां ओके तापर को
He remembered it when he saw Gopal's son sitting on a bench in the consulting hall. When Dr. Raman got up from his work, he called up the young man and asked that why he had come here. Then Gopal's son told that his mother has sent him because his father was ill. In this way, Dr. Raman come to know about Gopal's illness.
लोरा बुझी परलु आंसर टा सुनलु
Yes, sir.
सुनलु तो सही
Yes, sir.
सेम
Yes, sir.
जिंसो खाली चारटा पॉइंट तीनटा चारटा पॉइंट सेठी ऐड कर बस हला
Okay. Okay, sir.
प्रियदर्शनी बुझी परलु
Yes, sir.
हां आ बाकी सब माने इनएक्टिव रहउछो एति पे केना त माने आंसर लिखि त माने आंसर लिखि दिछन देखो ए बडा बोर्ड कहउछन्ती करेक्शन भी हे जाउछे कैंसिल बाकी तक घोड़ा मादळ लिखिन हां हाउ आसीबा लोरा तापर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कोन अछि ना नेक्स्ट यूनिट को आसीबा
Sir, next unit.
ओके नेक्स्ट यूनिट रे कोन अछि क्वेश्चन को
Sir, why didn't Gopal's wife call for Dr. Raman earlier?
तू मते काली आंसर पठै छबा
Sir, काली मु पठेची हाँ yes sir unit 3 और unit 4 रो आंसर दिटा पठेची.
से चालू तू नु आज क्लास अछि तो काली पठैलियो ना मोहन
Sir,
चालू तू लोरा
सर पठेई देइथांदी सोशियोलॉजी एग्जाम थिला मोर मने नथला.
अरे वाह सोशियोलॉजी एग्जाम दे जेलुनी
Yes sir.
वेरी गुड मार्क वालानी
Yes sir.
मार्क अरे प्रियदर्शनी केते अछि
2017.
हां
2017.
केतेरु 17
20.
20 रु 17 रखिछु अच्छा अरे भलो रखिछि रे लोरा
सर 19 थिला जे किंतु मो मैम को फोन कली मोर करेक्शन करिवा पई तो मैम कहले नाही सेटा ठीक अछि तो सर 20 रु 20 हबो मैम
20 रु 20 ए
Yes, sir.
लोरा आज पार्टी दबरे 20 रु 20 रखिछि लोरा चलो लोरा घर चलो चलो से लोरा घर चलो से लॉकडाउन फकडाउन छाड़ लोरा घर चलो सुमनिया केते रखिछु
Sir, मैं सोशियोलॉजी नहीं हूँ.
तोर सोशियोलॉजी नाही हां
No, sir.
शाबाश ए हां भलो पिला तू हमर सुना पिला बोली सोशियोलॉजी नै एही दीटा हमर प्रियदर्शनी लोरा ए अनसोशियल छुआ रे सेते सोशियोलॉजी नै संसार रे सबटु अनसोशियल छुआ हाउ स्मृति तू नै जे सोशियोलॉजी
No, sir.
हां शाबाश तू तो आउड तू हमर तनिष्क सुनाटा हरिहर तोर अछि सोशियोलॉजी
आज्ञा
हां
बट एग्जाम
केते
देनी
रखिछु एग्जाम देना हां शाबाश तू गोटा काम
एक
कर
दिन
तू गोटे बड़ बोतल आने बिस्लेरी 5 लिटर ये ता ठिपी खोलिबु पानी टिके काढिबु सेतरे नाक बुडेकी मर जा जो घोड़ा मार अच्छा
सर मु
विष्णु
अटेंड ही करनथले माने ऐड ही नथली
ऐड ही नथि तू रत तते ऐड माइनस करछ र विष्णु ए टक्का दे नथो एग्जाम विष्णु पळी लांडी बे डोरी देख देख लोरा देख ओडा दौड़ी पळेला बुझ आओ शुभ ए शुभ तोर सोशियोलॉजी नाही वेरी गुड संजना तोर अछि सोशियोलॉजी
नाही सर मोर नाही.
आ बढ़िया पिला उडा तो ए त लोरा हमर लोरा बे
Yes sir.
कालठू मो नारे गोलाप जामु भोग हो बुझिले न पहुंच थिबा मो पाखरे
सर
देवी तते
लॉकडाउन
इंग्लिश
लॉकडाउन
हां
में सर केमिति आनिबी.
लॉकडाउन में मो फोटो मारी गोलाप जामु भोग करियो ओके सो अच्छा को तापर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को
Sir, why didn't Gopal's wife call for Dr. Raman earlier?
हां कौन अब आंसर को
Sir, after knowing his childhood friend health condition, Dr. Raman, after completing his surgery, instantly went to his house to Lolly Extension, and
रो
after
सेट रो
yes,
आउट सेट देखे सही सेंटेंस रे तो आफ्टर दी थ्रो यूज है रिपीट है सेंटेंस रे
yes sir,
तो गोटे टर्म रेपिटेटिव हेले तो आंसर टा मोनोटोनस हे जो गोटे टाइप रहे जो ठीक अछि
okay, sir.
तो फर्स्ट मते सेंटेंस टा उथरे सुना सेकंड आफ्टर टा उडेबा
Sir, after knowing his friend's health condition, Dr. Raman instantly went out to know.
तू सुमनिया बड़े मिस्टेक कर लो. After knowing his health, his friend's health condition. After doctor आग लगा Dr. Raman, comma after knowing. After knowing पूर्वरु Dr. Raman लगा.
अच्छा, okay, sir.
तो जो गोटे मार्क दियंतनी तळे गोटे छोटो न लिखि ऊपर को लिखंती सेमते लाइक.
Yes.
Dr.
Sir,
Raman, comma after knowing
his friend's health condition, then after he comes after he completed his surgery, then he went to Lolly extension. सही जगह था.
अच्छा. After knowing his health condition, लेखे after knowing his health condition, सेठी के ऊपर को लेखे got worried until कौन लिखे जो completing the operation ना कौन
नहीं हाँ मतलब he after knowing
after
his health condition,
हाँ
after he went to Lolly extension.
हाँ after knowing his health condition तापरे जो second after तो बसे जो second after पर term टा कौन
Then he completed his after he completed his operation and went to Lolly extension.
He completed ना ताले
Yes.
got worried but until he completed his operation hello
Yes, sir.
until he completed his operation he का operation परे पुणी समझे mark देखी ऊपर को लेके
Yes, sir.
he could not get himself free and later reached Lolly extension है ना और later reached at Lolly extension
Yes, sir.
ठीक है जी अभी का सेंटेंस पढ़ो पूरा
Yes, sir. Dr. Raman, after knowing his friend's health condition, got worried, but until he completed his operation, he could not get himself free and later reached at Lolly extension. From his friend's wife, he get to know about his friend's health condition was worsened till last 1.5 months. Then he asked her why didn't they have told Dr. Raman about his patient's wealth. After listening Dr. Raman's question, his wife told that Dr. Raman, they thought that Dr. Raman would be busy and didn't want to disturb him unnecessarily.
Good. So you got to lekhechu was something. He was.
Sir?
But a sentence रे देखे third sentence टा देखी लुट के पढ़ी लो.
Dr. Raman would be busy.
जो lekhechu जे his wife did not.
Why
call.
his wife didn't call Dr. Raman or said Dr. Raman about his friend's health condition?
That is the question hala. So answer the second sentence टा पढ़.
Why didn't why didn't his friend's wife told Dr. Raman that his friend's health condition was worsened till last 1.5 months?
His health condition was worsened.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
He was worse corner. Worsen corner. Hello.
Was worsened. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Was worse corner.
Yes, sir. Was worsened till last 1.5 months. So his wife said that they thought Dr. Raman would be busy and didn't want to disturb him unnecessarily.
Okay. Sumania, कौन लिखे answer?
Sir, Gopal's wife did not call for Dr. Raman earlier because she thought that he would be busy and did not want to trouble him unnecessarily. And after then, they were also sorry and miserable about not summoning him earlier.
First sentence टा author पढ़ो.
Sir, Gopal's wife did not call for Dr. Raman earlier because she thought that he would be busy and did not want to trouble him unnecessarily.
She thought लेके he thought पढ़िलो.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
She thought. Sir, मैं लिखी चीजें पढ़ देली.
पढ़िलो. हाँ, okay. प्रियदर्शनी. प्रियदर्शनी.
सर तार नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होची वर्षा जोर से जॉइन होची
जॉइन होची कटि जाउची. ओके ताले सुमनिया नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पढ़ो. सुमन.
Yes, sir.
Next question.
What steps did the doctor take to save his friend from death?
Go. Answer कौन लिखिचु?
Sir, Dr. Raman inquired about Gopal's treatment. Then he opened his bag and took out an injection, sizzled the needle over the stove, and injected the drug into the patient without wasting any time. He noticed that the patient for an hour. He noticed the patient for an hour and then decided to perform an operation. These steps were taken by Dr. Raman to save his friend from death.
Good. Answer कौन लिखिचु? Laura, कौन लिखिचु answer?
Sir, the doctor tried his best to save his childhood friend's life. First of all, he sizzled the needle over the stove and injected it to his friend. Then he waited for over an hour to saw any improvement in his health condition. But the patient didn't even make a slight move. After seeing the patient's condition, the doctor decided to perform an operation.
Very very good. बढ़िया lecture दिए ने. Good. ये answer टा बहुत लाइज. Next question, Laura. ना सरला.
Sir, ये unit टा सरला next unit, fourth unit.
Unit सरला. I mean next unit तो पढ़ी नहीं.
Sir, fourth unit पढ़ी जेपा.
Fourth unit complete है. Good.
Cover करचे ना चारटा.
आने fourth unit question पढ़ा.
Sir, what was Dr. Raman's reaction when his assistant said, "Sir, he will pull through"?
कौन होगा reaction कौन लगे?
When Dr. Raman's assistant said, "Sir, he will pull through," the doctor looked at him in an unkind manner and said, "I will give my best to cure him completely, but I can't guarantee anything because it was a heart issue. It was a heart issue."
सेटे जो will लिखिचु सेटा को would कर.
He would pull through, sir. Eta.
Dr. Raman जोटा कॉल लिखिचु I will give anything. सेटा I would
Okay,
कर.
Okay, sir.
सुमनिया.
Yes, sir.
Answer.
When his assistant said, "Sir, he will pull off through."
Hey, तो पूर्ण sentence in the when his assistant start कर लो. माडुआ. कौन है वो?
Sir, the assistant said.
Whose assistant?
Dr. Raman's assistant.
हाँ, पहले सेट स्टार्ट करियो when Dr. Raman's assistant. ठीक है?
Yes,
तब
sir.
report.
When Dr. Raman's assistant said, "Sir, he will pull off through," the doctor reacted at him coldly and said that it was a sign of false recovery and he shouldn't believe it as it is common in these cases. If the
These
false
cases, as it is common in these this no these cases.
Yes, sir. These लिखिए sir. These कोहिली.
अरे हे सुमनिया तो पखो जाबडा मु पार्सल करिबि फ्लिपकार्ट रे लेंडा छुआ. हां पढो तापरे.
Sir, if the pulse would keep up till 8 in the next morning, then it will go on for the next 40 years and Gopal will be out of danger.
Shabash. Very good, very good. Oh, Laura, next question.
Sir, what was Dr. Raman's response when Gopal's wife asked him about his health condition?
कौन थिला?
Dr. Raman's silence was unbearable for Gopal's wife, but later she asked about her husband's health condition. After listening her question, Dr. Raman bit his lips and advised her to not get excited. Instead, she can't even imagine what the situation will be.
Acha, good.